Okay, we have like 3 minutes. Wow, we just shoveled this like about half hour ago. As you can tell, it's pretty bad still. I'm gonna try to keep this above. I'll put my glove on. See, this is where we ended up. See how much it's already come back around. Let me get out in the street here and I'll turn around. In the middle of our road, I'm gonna look up the road some. I'm gonna zoom down. There's the boy out there shoveling again. Another neighbor's truck. And of course, my house. But we're gonna go show you how bad it is out there. It is coming down. Way up in the sky. Oh yeah. Look at that stuff. Right in the wind now. Oh, that stuff is blowing right in my face. Wow. That is coming down. Alright, we're gonna walk down some. You can see right over there how buried everything is. Get another shot of my house from over this way. Right up to the edge, you can see that, right up to the very top on everybody. Look at this. Whoa. And there's the truck. Whoa. How you doing?
Good, how are you? Love this weather, huh?
Oh yeah, I'm out filming it. Out filming this stuff. We'll see how buried everyone's cars are. And this guy's gonna turn around here. He got a nice big truck, but watch, she's gonna look how far she's. Oh, she just like got buried in there. Wow. Look at that. Look at this fan. Wow. See that?